Ever wonder what happens when two lifelong creators, collectors, and community builders decide to let it all go? You get a once in a lifetime estate sale that feels more like rummaging through a living, breathing art installation. Tucked away on a quiet, historic street in beautiful, vibrant Bronzeville, just minutes from I 90 and Lakeshore Drive, this sale isn't just curated. It's the lived in intersection of creativity, curiosity, and diverse interests. As soon as you walk through the door, you know it's going to be special. A maze, scarves, and a Russell Woodard Sculptura chair greet you immediately. The living room is vibrant, playful, and sophisticated, with Danish teak cabinets, a sideboard by Jack Cartwright for Founders Furniture, and an Aro Arneo Magus puppy that howls with color and fun. Musicians and artists both. Music is art, and art creates music. A front room full of music gear that would make a sound engineer blush. Take your pick to set the beat and get those creative juices flowing. Original artwork by rising stars rises up the stairs and down every wall. Emerging artists like Liz McCarthy, Mark Benja, Hope Wang, and Millicent Kennedy. Upstairs, yarn, crafting supplies, rugs, and indigenous textiles from 4 continents. Functional art woven through with meaning. This isn't your typical estate sale, unless your neighbor is an artist, musician, surfer, bar mogul turned sage maximalist. Come for the vine, stay for the vibes, leave with a little more soul and a lot more style. Bring a friend or three, trust us, this one is special. This Friday through Sunday at the Estate Edit in Chicago's Bronzeville neighborhood. And follow Picardy as we explore the best estate sales.